I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make this Asian style mother sauce. I would call this Asian mother sauce. The ultimate chili sauce. It's so delicious. It is go on your fried rice, noodles, vegetables, meat, anything, everything you can think of, even between the buns or hot dog or hamburger. It's gonna be the bomb. So I just add about half cup of avocado oil in my wok. Well, you can use vegetable oil, canola oil, or any mild oil that you can use. I'm just gonna heat this oil over medium-low heat. And meanwhile the oil is heating up, I'm going to ground my 20 large cloves of garlic and some lemongrass. So I'm just gonna cut some lemongrass. So you will need 2 small lemongrass for this recipe or 1 large. I'm cutting up lemongrass roughly like this, so it will be easier to chop it up in a food processor. All right, my garlic and lemongrass smells so good. Okay, now putting into my heated oil. So we are gonna saute the garlic and lemongrass over low to medium-low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. The house is gonna smell like heaven, let me tell you. All right, while it's going, I'm going to ground 1 more vegetable, which is the key ingredients of this recipe. Chili for the chili sauce, if you know what I mean. So I'm just gonna roughly chop my red Frezno. You will need 8 of large red Frezno chilies. If you want to make it this a little extra spicy, go ahead and add some Thai chili to your taste. I'm gonna add tiny Thai chili, so like 5 of them. But if you want just a little bit of hint of heat, go ahead and add maybe 1 or 2. So it's totally up to you. Add all this chili into the food processor. All right, my chili is good to go. Take it out. And we're gonna add into the wok. This is gonna be the bomb. Okay, in here, I'm going to add some dried chili powder as well. You can use either Thai chili flakes or Thai chili powder, or gochugaru, the Korean red pepper flakes, that works too, or just regular red pepper flakes you can find, that works too. So dried chili powder amount is up to you, depending on how thick you like your chili sauce to be. I like about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and we are gonna season our chili sauce with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you wanna make this vegetarian, go ahead and use soy sauce, that's totally fine as well. And 1 tablespoon of palm sugar or honey. And this is totally optional. If you want extra kick of flavor, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Stir everything together and simmer for 10 minutes over medium heat and stir occasionally. My chili sauce has been cooked down about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn off the heat. As I mentioned, you can use this chili sauce to spice up your ordinary ramen noodles or noodle soup that you have in the house, or spread in between buns to make sandwich. Top it up your hot dog instead of chilies. Oh, it's gonna be so good, you know what I mean? And just put top of the rice with fried egg. Quickest, easiest, cheapest meal ready to go. Or just a simple chow mein that you get from Chinese takeout. Little drizzle of our Asian mother chili sauce. It's gonna be different level of the chow mein. Store this chili sauce in an airtight container. It will last in the refrigerator for 15 to 30 days. Because of amount of oil we put it in, it will last a very, very long time. If you like the one of my Asian mother sauce, which is the ultimate chili sauce, please give me a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast, and this is Asian at Home. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Baby, you're like, oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, that should be good. You okay?
I was holding as long as I could. And you were like, your baby, you're all over.